What is up to my favorite people in the entire world? Yes, you guys are my favorite people. What is up to my squad? Now, if you are new here, my name is Ashley and welcome to the island. Today we are checking out Ziferblat, Bird of Prey. I'm super duper excited for this one. You guys ready? Make sure you like the video if you want more of their music on the island. Let's dive into this one. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna tell you guys if this was a hit or a miss, and you can comment down below and let me know what you thought about the performance as well. Should we have more of their music on the island? Let me go.
Не хочу нікуди їхати.
Ну і не їдь. Рухай свій світ, якщо хочеш.
Okay.
Додай гучності своєму мейку з Maybelline New York.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Зайдеш до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила всі останніми знов. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну, and I call you blood, but I'm begging you, please just leave, share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey.
Wow, guys, since he first started singing, like, my whole body chills all over. I can't even control it. Like, I really love his aura. I really love the way he sounds. I really love this. Oh my god. And the garden scene on the stage, so different, so unique. Wow, I'm not even lying. Chills up and down.
Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I call you fly, but I'm begging you, just guess of me and my little bird.
Yes.
Like a bird, where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
Wow, that was a chilling performance. Like, my paws still don't want to go down. Ziferblat, Bird of Prey. Did he win? Did he win? Because he needs to win. Whatever it is going on here, he needs to win. Oh my goodness, that was exceptional. Wow. Now, I really love his voice. I love his style, his singing style, his outfit style, his execution style. The stage was converted into a garden. Wow. The backup singers were in the grass singing. Like, everything just was so unique and weird, and I love it. I love him so much. I love the song. The song is haunting. To me, I really like the song. And the girls with the backup vocals, wow, her voice is like a siren. Her voice is magnificent, and alongside his singing style, it just works to create such an airy song, a really airy song. I definitely enjoy that. One of my favorite performances so far. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like the video for more of him on the island.